So we just checked into our homestay, and what are your thoughts?
It's good.
It's good. That wasn't what you said.
Wonderful.
好假，他们刚刚明明就在 complain， 你看我妈妈还要放 thumbs up 嘞。Okay, actually I think it's not bad. Just that we have to climb 3 stories, which is very tiring. How Megan?
Yeah.
Megan just climbed down.
它有 Grab car for ladies.
So we just finished our lunch. We are now going to head to Big C. Let's go. 我们现在要去 Big C， 你们兴奋吗
Yes, very.
你要买什么？
酒盒。
你要买酒盒
Mango, dried mango.
美肯呢？
牙刷牙膏。
这个是很 practical 。Wow, damage done. Hello, are you happy with 你们的战利品？耶耶！才开始几个小时就买到这样，很少吗？我也是，都是 It's all snacks. We are at the night market. Hello. Are you ready for the massage? Megan, are you excited for the massage?
I am.
Okay. How was it? Alright, so after our massage, we are now heading over to dinner, and I haven't even, today is like day 1 and I kind of lost my voice really. See you at dinner! Jiayang, say hi. Welcome. Late to the game. Chilling with Chang beer. You like the Chang beer? What a sexy pose. You have been doing the same pose for the entire day. Dumbass. Breakfast time. Are you excited
Yeah.
about?
So this is like northern Thai food. This cow soy is like you must have. 我重新再讲。
Okay.
Yeah, so I Googled and I YouTube and I found this very special store. So this store sells like northern Thai cow sai. So cow sai is actually a specialty in northern Thailand. So you must try it when you are in Chiang Mai.
And?
And we also ordered other stuff.
Okay, yeah.
下。Whoa, we are back from the elephant sanctuary and we have changed because we are going to a Michelin 1-star restaurant. We hope that we have seats. Okay, if we don't, then we'll go to the night market in this dress.
And I'm not the only one who dressed up. Look at this lady here. You see? 上面露下面露哎，哎呦，然后还补了口红跟妆 right 还有这位先生，
我天生丽质，我不需要。
哦，你好恶心哦，拜，待会儿见。
Lucky to be dining here. The Thai King dined here a few nights ago.
Mommy happy? 1 Michelin star restaurant. Oh, this is the vegetarian spring roll.
Very hot.
That's your only comment.
Mommy, how is it? Hot. You copy my comment there.
But nice.
How is it on the tongue?
I didn't explain
Alright.
what's Michelin star.
我想要 food.
The next time I want to eat is the best.
Is it my video, bro?
And then, bye.
Where are we going?
We're going for cooking class.
Oh, that's it? Okay. Bye guys. 안녕하세요. 한국 친구들 만났어요. 중국어로 안녕하세요. 다자하오. 너무 어색한데요. 오케이 끝.
Spicy, you can control.
Say hello. Are you excited? 한국 친구들도 hello.哥哥，哥哥，两个都不是 photo， 我在 video 是 vlog。
我们拍个 photo。
我们在分享我们的战利品。
我的
公司的员工每一位都可以拿到一件这个 T 恤。
哇哦
我的公司在这边230。
我要剪掉了。OK， 你的战利品只有9行跟 socks， 对，其他人我们都分享，阿妈还没有分享她的嘞。
然后我们
这样还没好哎。
我们
这样子蛮多的。
对，因为我最近一直很想走这个工装风。
有点大，对不对？
对，但是我一直还没有尝试。
这有点大，
就是这个就是要大，这边不分。你可以
你看看阿弟可以买。
好荒谬哦。Okay, I shall end the. We will try on the rest. Bye bye. Hello, Adi. Here for a photo shoot. Mommy.
Hello. So we have changed into this Thai traditional costume and we will be having a photo shoot, a family photo shoot.
Bye bye. 这样was it fun? Was your trip fun? What's your favorite activity?
What's the highlight?
Today's market.
Today's market. Yours eh?
Today's market I bought 3 dresses.
Very good. Go in now.
Connect to one.
So what is your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part? Thai cooking.
Thai cooking. Yours eh?
Thai
Both Thai cooking.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Bye bye.